What's up, everybody? So this is Star coming back to you for another video. This is a dip set that I did last week for my brother's wedding reception, and it is getting old. So if you want to see how I transform this set to this set, then stay tuned. So here I am just coming in with my extra coarse drill bit, and I am drilling off all of the gel top coat, the gel polish, and at least smoothing out that first layer of dip powder of acrylic, just so I can get down to an even surface and get ready for my application. So I'm just going in. This is my last finger. I done went through and filed off all the gel polish and filed down all of the nails. Now I'm just going in here with my cuticle pusher. I am going to push back my cuticles to expose that area, and then I'm going to go in with my sanding band and get rid of all the shine off of all of the nails so that I can get ready for my application. And so now right here, I'm just changing from the extra coarse drill bit to the sanding band. And as you know, I always like to keep the old sanding band on so that everybody can see that the sanding band that I will be using on their nails and also my own nails is a brand new sanding band. So I'm just going in and taking the shine off the natural nail where I pushed that cuticle back. And we're going to go in and get ready for this dip application. And now that all the nails have been sanded down, the shine have been taken off all of the natural nail, I'm just going in with this brush and dusting off all of that loose dust from everywhere so that when I go ahead and put in my application, I don't have any lifting. So now that all the dust has been brushed away, I am going in with this alcohol wipe and making sure that my nails, there are no natural oils on my nails, because you know our nails produce natural oils, so you want to make sure you get all of that off before you go in with your primer. Now that we've removed all the oil from our nails, this is the primer I'm using. It's the Beauty Secret Sally's brand. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on just the natural nail where I had to expose that skin from pushing the cuticle back. I'm just going to go in and prime my nails and get ready for application. Now I know I talk shit about this G&E gel top coat and base coat, but you know, honestly, I've come to love this top coat and base coat because it lasts, it does the job, and I save a couple of coins. So if I don't got to spend top dollar on something, I'm gonna save my money because the bitch ain't rich yet, but what's wrong with being a savvy shopper? So I'm just going in with my first layer of this gel base so that I could go ahead and get ready to start dipping my nails. So I'm just going in and making sure that all the nails is coated well with this gel top coat, and then I'm going in here with my Mia Secret clear acrylic using my little scooper, and then I'm going to put them in a lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. So now that they've cured, I'll just go in with my little brush, dust off all the excess powder, and go in with my second layer. Now being that it's just a little fill, I'm just going to do it for a second time. I didn't put it on the entire nail the first time. I just put it in the area that needed to be filled in. Now I'm just going to go over the entire nail and do it one more coat over the entire nail, and then cure that for another 60 seconds. And then I'll go in and I will shape them up, buff them, file them, and add some top coat to seal it all in, and then we'll move on to polish. Now right here, like I said, I'm just going in, shaping them up with my 180, nope, it's a 180 grit hand file, and shaping them up, getting that nice crisp shape. And then I am going to go in and just buff them with a buffing block over. Actually, I lied. I'm actually going to go in with my e-file and use a sanding band to smooth it out. I just feel like it's faster, and it'll get the bulk down and get them all nice and smooth. And then I'll be ready for my polish application. Now I'm just finishing off sanding them. They're all nice and smooth, and this is what they look like. Now I've went in and sealed them off with that top coat, and the fill process is all finished. Now I'm going to go in here with the polish and design application. Now for my accent nail, I decided to go with a foil transfer. So right here, I'm just going in with showing you the foil glue that I'm going to use. And that's the stamping plate because it's going to be a stamping design. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a silver holographic foil for the accent nail. And this is what they're going to look like. I think they came out so cute. I love that purple mixed with that silver hollow. They came out so cute. I love this design. It was cute yet effective. Now, if you guys like these voiceovers, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with somebody you know, and thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.